Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pause and resume Digit savings. Sometimes you may want to temporarily stop Digit from automatically saving money, maybe due to unexpected expenses or financial changes. Digit makes it easy to pause and resume your automated savings anytime. Let me show you how to pause Digit savings. The first thing you're going to do is to open the Digit app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the savings settings or automation settings section. There you're going to find the toggle or button that's labeled pause savings or pause automated transfers. Tap or slide the toggle to pause all future automated savings transfer. You confirm your choice if prompted, and Digit will immediately stop moving money from your bank account to your digital savings until you resume. And here's how to resume Digit savings. When you're ready to restart savings, just return to the same savings settings sections in the app and then find the pause savings toggle or button. Tap or slide to resume automated savings and confirm your choice if necessary. Digit will then begin transferring savings again based on your usual settings and schedule. An important notice, pausing savings does not withdraw any money or that's already saved in Digit. It only stops new transfers. You can pause and resume savings as many times as needed without facing any penalties or having to pay any fees. Pausing can help you to avoid overdrafts during tight financial periods or when you want to control cash flows manually. Pausing and resuming Digit savings gives you flexibility and control over your finances while still benefiting from automated savings when you're ready. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.